But Eufy, 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 I don't know. Help me guys to crack this. So I'm very excited to install this. It is HDR and 2K resolution, and this particular one here is just want to let you guys know that it is the wire kind. So it's not a battery kind where you have to replace every 6 months. Because it is wire kind, installation will be a little bit longer than the ones that are battery kind. So you have to keep that in mind. You don't have to pay a monthly subscription fee because it's all saved on miniature little SD card on the side. You go in, and it's all local recording. It never goes onto the iClouds or anything like that. You never have to pay money. You can view it at any time without paying money, monthly fee. So I like that. So anyways, why don't we go ahead and open this thing and what's in the box, and once we have examined this thing, then let's go ahead and install it after that. Okay, what I have is I have a box here with a security camera, all the parts and screws and stuff all in one box here, so that I can take just the one box for whatever area I need to go to transport with me to make it easier myself on that. And then I also have this manual here that tells me the instruction on how to install things. And so according to the manual, it says before you install this is to install an app. And so that's what it says right there. Let me go ahead and focus that. It says Eufy Security app installation first through Google Play or App Store. And then it says to scan the QR code, which is a manual or the thing that came with. And there's where the QR code is. And then once you're done with that, then according to the manual, it says shut off the power. So which I did. I shut off the power already. And then flip the page. And it's tells me that I need to wire this U-looking shape, which is right there, the wire, and connect the two front door and the transformer, like a U shape connecting for it. And for order to do that, it requires a screwdriver. This is the one I bought a couple years ago. It was originally 16 volt, and I switched to either 24 or 48, I can't remember, volt. So I bought the whole new thing, just in case if I ever bought the ring, that it would require a lot more power. So I'm not sure that will help or not. The thing I did is, according to the manual, it tells me to hook up in the front, which is right there, you can see it. Hook up there, and transformer is in the middle. And I put the U-shaped wire inside like this, because earlier it was hanging down in below. So maybe it might be a good tip for you guys. But this is what I did for the door chime. So this part is done. Let me kind of explain to you what I did. So on this particular doorbell security a metal plate, I had to modify things because my brick wall, if I zoom out a little bit, it's a little bit uneven. This one's a little bit out, this one's a little bit out, and this one's a little bit in, and this is a little bit out. So it just makes it a little bit difficult to install, and I had to do a lot of modifications. And as you can tell, I made a lot of holes, so I had to reputty it with motor cement. So it's in the middle of the process of getting dried up. But right here, I had to add, I wanted the camera to be aimed that way as the people to come, so I can see this way. And this, I aimed it more this way, like this. So I added a back plate. It's about 15 or 20 angle of the plate in the back, and it's going this way. So I had to drill this one. In order for me to drill this one, I had to use a special drill machine to drill into the brick. So I had to use this machine to drill that hole right here. When you're installing on this plate, if you have a normal wood like siding for it, you would have no problem. This project will take probably not more than 10 minutes. I'm just going ahead and use that existing wire and this one to extension wire. Take that little thing off. And then I'm go ahead and screw this part on and make it a nice little twist and snug, and just kind of tuck it in a little bit inside. Okay, here's the back of the camera. In the back of it, I'm going to go ahead and screw this one and this one. I finally got the right screw size for it. So I'm going to insert that one in and tight. Okay. All right, and let's go ahead and put this thing right behind it. And look at that, guys. This is a gorgeous looking doorbell security camera I ever seen. I cannot film this and install the app at the same time, so I apologize for that. But remember that this little thing that we did not know about? Well, guess what? This is for if you ever need to take off this thing. You have this little pin that you go underneath. Right there, there's a hole, and you just push it up, and that releases the whole thing to come off. Yep, so that's what that is. So let's go ahead and look at the manual and saying turn on the power back on from the fuse box, and I'm gonna do that. And I have to go to the app, and I have to plug in this part to the wall so it can be synced with this, and my phone. All right, so I need to update this. And earlier I installed this U shape for a jumper, but apparently when I was reading the manual, I do not need this because I already upgraded this transformer from 16 volt to either 24 or 48 volt. So really I don't need this because this has enough sufficient power to go to the doorbell. Now somehow if you don't have enough power transformers in here, now I think this is what this is required to put it right there, one for the front door and one for the transformer. And so that's how you get the powered up in the front security camera. So I just wanted to let you know on that one. I downloaded my wife's phone with the app, and so this one right here, you can send a movie and things like that to your SD card. This one is I can't remember what it does. Or you can send the photos and things like that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And then this one is like anybody who's coming at your door, and if you want to have a quick little response, you can say, "Excuse me, can I help you?" Or "Please leave it at the door. We will be right there." A quick response kind of thing, which is pretty cool. I like that. And then you can talk to someone, or just a speaker off and on. And if you want to talk to someone, I guess you can do this too. Or and then this one, make it bigger. Alright, so installation is complete, and downloaded the app, and everything works just perfect. The chime and all that works perfect. I do have one question with where they store the SD cards, and I couldn't find where they put them, either in there or in a door chime device. But according to the website and the app, they're telling me it's inside the house where the SD card is, or something like that. But I couldn't find it. If you guys know where it is, let me know, or just leave it in the comments. But thanks for watching, and I hope that I have learned so much from doing this, and I hope the video that I showed it to you will inspire you to do the same thing and be able to get a product and install yourself and save money in doing that way. So anyways, thank you for watching, and I see you guys another video. Thumbs up. Thanks. See ya.